Welcome to one of the most magical Christmas towns on the East Coast, Cape May, New Jersey. Every year, this seaside village transforms into a Victorian winter wonderland filled with lights, music, and timeless charm. Whether you're coming for a weekend getaway, a family tradition, or just to soak in the holiday spirit by the sea, you're in for something special. I'm Matthew Haviland with the prompt team at Keller Realty Atlantic Shore, and today I'm taking you on a festive tour of the top 5 Christmas activities that you absolutely can't miss in Cape May this season.
Hearts come home when the choir sing and play. From Congress Hall to the Trolley Lights Parade, there's magic in the air. It's Christmas in Cape May.
So let's start with Cape May's most beloved tradition, the Candlelight House Tours. Hosted by Cape May MAC, these tours have been a holiday staple for nearly 50 years. In 2025, they'll be held on Saturday, December 6th, 13th, and 20th from 5:30 to 8:30. Dozens of historic Victorian homes open their doors for visitors to explore by candlelight. Each is uniquely decorated, from classical colonial simplicity to elegant Victorian opulence. You'll hear carolers in the streets, the clip-clop of horse-drawn carriages, and the smell of fresh pine and cider in the air. Tickets sell out early, so reserve yours in advance at capemaymac.org. This isn't just sightseeing, it's a step back into the 1800s when Cape May was America's premier seaside resort. Number 2 is the Winter Wonderland at Congress Hall, known as America's first seaside resort. Congress Hall turns its front lawn into a storybook Christmas village every year. For 2025, the Winter Wonderland runs from Friday, November 28th through Sunday, January 4th, 2026. You'll find twinkling lights, mini train rides, a carousel, fire pits for s'mores, and vendor huts selling local gifts. Inside, the grand lobby is decked with garlands, wreath, and one of the most beautiful Christmas trees on the Jersey Shore. And don't miss the Congress Hall tree lighting ceremony on Friday, December 5th from 6 to 9 p.m. It's a spectacular kickoff to the season with live music, family fun, and hot chocolate on the lawn. Whether you're staying overnight or just stopping by, Congress Hall is a must-see for holiday magic. Number 3 is the Washington Street Mall holiday shopping. The Washington Street Mall, in December, it feels straight out of a Hallmark movie. Lights strung overhead, shop windows glowing, and the smell of hot chocolate and fudge in the air. The mall stays decorated from Thanksgiving through New Year's, and the park festivities happen December 6th through Christmas week. With over 75 boutiques and restaurants, you'll find handmade ornaments, local jewelry, and sweet Cape May treats. On weekends, carolers fill the streets, and Santa often makes an appearance. Come just after sunset for the best view when the lights twinkle against the Victorian architecture. The number 4, hop aboard the holiday trolley ride. These classic red trolleys are a Cape May icon. Through December, Cape May MAC offers the Holiday Lights Trolley Tours. They begin the weekend after Thanksgiving and they run through early January. Tours depart from the Washington Street Mall and last about 30 minutes. It's a warm, cozy way to see the town without having to brave the cold for too long. Bundle up, grab a hot cocoa, and enjoy the ride. Finally, number 5, the tree lighting and community events here in Cape May. The season officially begins with the City of Cape May Christmas tree lighting at the Emlyn Physic Estate. I might be saying that name wrong, I'm not sure. But anyway, it's Saturday, November 22nd from 5 to 8 p.m. Families gather for carols, hot cocoa, and the magical moment when the giant evergreen sparkles to life. The celebrations continue all month long with the West Cape May Christmas Parade on Saturday, December 7th at 5 p.m., plus breakfast with Santa and holiday concerts across town. So no matter when you visit in December, there's always something festive happening in Cape May. So here in Cape May, it's filming in November at the time of this video, and they are getting the lights set up right now, kind of transferring from fall into all the winter and Christmas decor. So this will all be set up real soon. Cape May reminds me why I love what I do. It's connecting people with places that bring joy, peace, and community. If you're exploring life here in South Jersey, whether it's your first home, your retirement dream, or your next adventure, let's talk. I'm Matthew Haviland with the prompt team at Keller Atlantic Shore, and our mission is helping people find a high quality of life through real estate. One home at a time, one story at a time, and one family at a time. So you can connect with me at promptagents.com/YouTube. From my family to yours, Merry Christmas, and may your home be filled with warmth, light, and blessings this season. And if you're looking for more things to do for Christmas in South Jersey, you definitely want to watch this video next.